Presentation on copyright, patent and trademark. Copyright automatically granted artists, musicians, authors only protect the original work. Latest time of artists may have to prove date of creation and free of charge. Copyrights meaning original work of authorship such as book, article, song, photography, sculpture, choreography, sound recording, motion picture and creative work. Requirement in order to get copyright, the work used must be original and creative. Validity of if the author is an individual, then the validity of trademark is author life plus 70 years. Copyright example like the famous writer like Chetan Bhagat and singer composer like A.R. Rahman hold the copyright and their work and charge consideration for granting their rights. Copyrights example Facebook, Twitter. Thank you.
My presentation topic is patent. Meaning of patent. Granted to the valuable invention such as novel process, machines, manufacture and composition. It is requirement. In order to be registered under the patent, the invention must be new, useful and most importantly the non-obvious. Validity. The patent is valid for the total period of 20 years. Patent examples. Microsoft has successfully obtained the patent registration for its multiple software.
What is patent? Patent protect the features and process that make things work. This lets inventor profit from their invention. Patent protect how things work, how it made, and what from. A patent deal with the human invention. A right has granted to the owner of the invention to make, use, manufacture, and market the invention. An invention is creating something totally new with one's own ideas and development. A discovery is recognition, something that already exists for the first time that nobody has found before. Invention of the
Slogan and image protect the brand. Last 10 years can be renewed. Approximately $2,000 within UK. Trademark can be used as a marketing tool so that customer can be recognize your product or service, like a Adidas symbol, Facebook. Trademark meaning trademark can be defined as any unique name, word, slogan, symbol, design that can be used to disguise the source of one good from other in the market. Requirement in order to get registered trademark, the mark was chosen must be distinctive and not generic. Validity: the period of 10 years renewal must be obtained. Benefit: trademark and registration is that the owner get the exclusive right over his mark. After trademark registration, you can put the symbol with your mark that improve that capability of your business. Example of trademark: Sony, Microsoft, Rolls-Royce, Mercedes-Benz, Canon, Coca-Cola,